The biggest issue faced by stock market investors is, when should I buy the shares? Many people buy the shares at the wrong time, and worst, they exit also at the wrong time. So what is the best time? What are the best 5 strategies on which you can take an entry in the stock markets? Friends, this is Paresh Desai, Chartered Accountant, and if you wait till the end of this video, I'm going to share top 5 strategies on when you can buy the stocks. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. So let us start with the strategy number 1. So the first strategy for buying the shares is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern. Yes. So the strategy number 1 says that whenever you find a candlestick pattern like this, which is called as a morning star. So this you'd find at the bottom of the trend. Can you see here? The trend is down, and at the bottom of the trend, you find a pattern like this, which is called as a morning star. So typically you'll find a red candle and then a smaller candle. It could be either a neutral or a hammer, and the third candle closes above the median of the first red candle. So this is typically called as a morning star. So after the morning star, if you see that the price is not falling below the level of the morning star, then that is the time where you can take the entry into the stock somewhere around here. So that is the top strategy number 1. Now let us go to strategy number 2. Strategy number 2 says that if you find another pattern which is similar like a hammer. So hammer is a candlestick pattern where you find that the body is small, but this thin line, which we call it as a wick, is on the lower side and it's slightly bigger. So if you find a pattern like this, the color doesn't matter, whether it is red or green doesn't matter, but at the bottom of the trend means if the price has come down, and at the bottom you find a hammer, and after the hammer you find that the price starts going up, then this is the second strategy where you can take entry safely. Let us come to the third strategy. The third strategy says trend line breakout. Yes friends, this is one of the most popular way in which you can take an entry. So the line which you're seeing here is a resistance trend line which is sloping downwards. So when the candlesticks are below this trend line, it would mean that the trend is down. There's a bearish trend here. But the moment the trend line is crossed by the candlestick, then this is called as a breakout. So after the breakout, the entry would be quite a safe and a good entry. So this was strategy number 3. Let us come to strategy number 4. Strategy number 4 says supports. Supports are very important when it comes to technical analysis. And if you have seen that the price has taken a support at one level earlier, so support is below which the price does not go. So the support is taken once, and one more time if the price comes to the same support level and then it starts moving up, then this would be a better time to enter. So that was strategy number 4, which was for supports. And the last strategy number 5 is the 5 moving average. This is my favorite, and this one gives me a very good idea about when to enter and also till when I can stay into the trade. So if you see here, the line which is coming here, the blue line, is the 5 moving average. So till the time the price is below the 5 moving average, we can say that the price is not performing good in its own 5 moving average terms. So it would be like a person who is performing over a certain period of time, he's not doing as good as what he was doing earlier. Okay, so this was similar to a 5 moving average. So if the price is below the 5 moving average, it would mean that the price is not doing well. But the moment it goes above the 5 moving average, that is the time you can take an entry into the stock. And once the 5 moving average is crossed, that means the price closes above the 5 moving average over here and continues going up, this would be the time where you can take the entry. So friends, these were the top 5 strategies for a simple trade which anyone can understand. I hope this video was of use to you and you have liked it. So don't forget to subscribe this and see you in the next video. If you want to meet me live in any of the webinars which I take live, then you can look at the description box below this YouTube video, and you can take advantage of also joining the Facebook group and my VIP group on the WhatsApp. So thank you once again for watching this video and see you soon. Bye. This is Paresh Desai, Chartered Accountant from Sankalp Eduventture.